Good morning, sir. My name is G. Supasit. I'm studying still English medium. The aim of this project to prevent the drivers and the innocents which are impacted by the drivers in night times. It will be useful. The night time drivers which are driving for long ride and the transporters and useful to us. The people which are impacted or the other accidents people will be useful. So the drivers will be wear goggles. This is the materials we want. Goggles, sensor, wire, buzzer, CPU connection, battery, pin. It will be useful for connection. It will be useful to the lorry drivers and it will be safe. It will be safe from the nighttime lorry driver and reduce the accidents. Reduce the accidents. It would be more impact on the lives which are dependent upon one another. Which are dependent on one another. The accident will be reduced in night time. Lorry drivers which are transporting the goods or other material, they will be safe and their families will be also good. In other countries, they could make a large amount of material and make a direct way in same way. It would be 40 or 60 lakh without that. But these materials are buying now and we will be the project is at home. This project is done by me to prevent the innocence. Goggles and so. It will be the goggles. The driver will be set the high ball on the high.